how you doing? My name is Julia, and today I came here to talk to you about a new product called LeanBiome. So if you really want to know more about LeanBiome and its whole truth, I will tell you everything you need to know about it. So I suggest you pay close attention and watch this video until the end. First, I must tell you that I got access to the official website of the manufacturer, and to help you, I'll leave it down below in the description of this video, alright? So guys, many people are asking on the internet, what is LeanBiome? How does it work? If it is really good, if it is really worth it? And the answer is yes. LeanBiome is a brand new doctor-formulated weight loss supplement formulated using the latest Ivy League research and backed by real-world results. It has an advanced ingredient blend that helps to quickly reverse a bacterial imbalance in the human gut microbiome, the newly discovered root cause of belly fat and unexplained weight gain. And probably you already went through this situation. You want to lose weight, you start going to the gym and into a diet, and it takes time to lose weight. It takes time to have good results. This is discouraging for anyone. Then you realize that you're not losing any weight at all. So that's why LeanBiome is here to help you if you want to lose some extra pounds and detoxify your body in a healthy way. The best thing is that it's 100% natural and has no contraindications, no side effects, so you don't need to worry. The benefits are very simple. It will speed up your body's metabolism and once and for all make it work well, burning calories faster. So you get less hunger and fat storage, fewer cravings, and a fired up metabolism. So LeanBiome is in capsule form, it's easy to swallow and completely safe for you to take, and something that has really increased the confidence of customers is that LeanBiome is FDA approved and GMP certified. But it is important to say that it's not a miracle. You also need to take care of your body, give it some attention, drink more water, eat better to potentialize your results, okay? You need to engage it. So its formula will really accelerate your metabolism and you get what you want faster. So, okay, we get it. LeanBiome really works and you can trust this product, but you should only buy it through the official website of the manufacturer that I left in the first link in the description. There you can actually read people's comments about their outcome stories with LeanBiome. I want to refer to you to remember that LeanBiome is a natural product, so of course your body would not give you instant results. There are no magic capsules, guys, so keep that in mind. And once you start doing the treatment, follow the manufacturer's recommendations. For best result, you gotta do at least 3 to 6 months of treatment. You need to take just a capsule a day. Don't forget that it's very important that you don't skip days because your body will need some time to start adapting to it, to start absorbing the nutrients, you know. Another nice thing about LeanBiome is that it offers you a money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied with the result. But it has been producing phenomenal results for the customers and a super low refund rates. You have nothing to lose except weight. So if you want to lose weight in a healthy and natural way, also if you want to improve your overall health and detox your body, so I really encourage you to give LeanBiome a chance because it is actually the top 1 product on the market today. Don't forget that the link is right below this video. Thanks everyone for watching and I hope you all have a nice day. Goodbye.